Welcome in BA Part 3rd. In our last video, we were discussing our poema Casuarina Tree. Today, we just want to finish the poem as we are just going to start our last stanza in this video. Our Casuarina Tree, the theme and the ideas that we already finished in our previous videos, that what was the reason of Casuarina Tree. There are various types of the logics, various types of the sentiments and various types of the feelings attached with Casuarina Tree. We discussed all these types of ideas related to Casuarina Tree. Then what is the reason why she applies the name of Casuarina Tree, or what is the connection of Casuarina Tree with her memories. We hope that this is something autobiographical come natural poem. In this type of the poem, we will consider both aspects, as the aspect of personal life as well as its relationship with natural life. Yesterday we discussed that poet was speaking about the reason that, oh Casuarina Tree, they are hidden the memory related to my expired brother and sister in you. So you always be liked by me and you will stay permanently in my life. Today she just speaks about the dedication to his brother and sister, and now at present time she is speaking that this is my small effort, this is my short effort for the memory of my brother and sister. Again she speaks that it is my little impression, or it is my little identification, or it is a very minor expression related to memory of my brother and sister. I dedicated my poem to my close brother and sister. The complete poem is a dedication of brother and sister. Very emotional and feelingful detail that was given by Torudat. Now I request try to come with me and we just start the line. That is start from therefore. It is the last stage of our Casuarina Tree. What she speaks now, observe with me. Therefore I fain would concentrate a lay unto thy honor. Now she speaks why she write the poem. Now she speak why she write the poem. Therefore so is it. I fain. Then poet speaks that what is the reason why I completed the poem. I fain. Fain is using for very joyfully, very happily. I am very glad to express, I am very glad to speak, I am very glad to write about the memory of brother and sister. I very happily would concentrate karna, that is the concentrate, completely dedication to brother and sister, devotees to brother and sister. A lay is using for a song, now that is using for the poem that we are now reading. A lay is using for the poem which we just read. A lay unto thy honor, for your reputation, for your attachment with me, for our family and domestic aspects and relationship. How deeply I like you, how deep connection there was, everything related to our family relationship, everything related to your honor. I want to express my opinion, and it is my small opinion, my small expression, my minor expression to show the memory of brother and sister. Be beloved to those who now in blessed sleep for a repose. Now poet says that this is the reason that why I like the trees. This is the reason that the tree reminds me about the person who sleep permanently before many years, and today I am very able. I am very angry, and today I have an opportunity to remind them. Who provides me an opportunity for the memory of brother and sister? This is casualina tree. So the casualina tree is now today for me as a source. That is the medium, or that is the way and the path how I can remind my brother and sister. So she also dedicated the poem to our casualina tree, means the casualina tree also. Kyun? The base of this memory is casualina tree. The base of productivity or the production of our feelings is casualina tree. Everything that depends upon that is casualina tree. The theme that is related to brother and sister, the memories that is related to brother and sister, or the experience that is spent with brother and sister, everything depends, and the base of everything is casualina tree. अभी तो कहते हैं dearer than life to me. Dearer, that is comparatively. In comparatively, we compares between two. That is dear, dearer, dearest. तो dearer than comparison के लिए आता है. Life to me, very great impression, very deep emotional expression of poet Torudutt. Dearer than life to me. उन brother और sister को कह रही है that dearer, वो मुझे life to me, अपनी जिंदगी से भी ज्यादा बढ़िया लगते थे. This was the main motto, this was the main conception, that she compares their life with her life and says that I like them. Them means brother and sister more than my personal life. So that is a very good impression. Dearer than life to me, alas, indication of suffer, pain, pida, dukh, kashta. They were they? Question mark, exclamatory sign, that is used for not completed in future. Were they were, you can say काश वो होते. That is the expression, that is the speech which never to fulfill in future, because they already spent, they already left the ground, they expired. This is the bitter truth. Everyone must be accept it. And this is the line. Mayst thou be numbered when my days are done with deathless trees. ये लाइन इंपॉर्टेंट थी. Mayst thou be numbered. ये नंबर जो यूजिंग किया गया, that is the numbering of poem, that is using for the measurement of memory. And then poet pray to God, pray to superpower, that whenever my life there is on the ground, whenever this casualina tree there be in our garden, every time God provides me strength, God provides me memories that I never forget you. This is the part of body to whom she addresses, that whenever I live on this ground, whenever there is the tree in the garden, every time God provides me the power, the ability that I never forget you. I always want to remember you. उसके बाद there is nothing that is to be read again, and that would thy beauty fan o fan rehearse. एक important line है, that is also लिखा है इसमें line नंबर के आगे. You try to note down it, that is Borodin. At the time when she provides the detail of casualina, she is something speaking about Borodin. Borodin is, you just understand about the phrase that was borrowed by poet. The Borodin Valley and Lake, and this is in Lake district में है, and the word Borodin generally be used by William Wordsworth. So the word Borodin is used for the garden, where there are different type of the trees, and the word Borodin, it is a special type of the forest, and the phrase of Borodin generally be used. It is the personal phrase of Wordsworth. Wordsworth generally used this type of the phrase Borodin. Now she compares the gardens and the casualina tree with this type of the details. May love define thee from Indian crush. And now at the last time, we are discussing that in the last part of poem there is an attachment of religious faith of poet. There is also an attachment how she express her memory, how she express her deep faith for God. Two things that she wants to make immortal, that is nature, and as a symbol of nature, here she applies the example of casuarina tree. And finally, she speaks that it is happened in life, it is truth of life, everyone that comes on earth must be die one day. Everything are the universal truth. Even I want to remind you the brother and sister forever. So it was the poem and the last stanza of our poem, our casuarina tree. Shortly we can say that casuarina tree is a very beautiful poem. It is the production of feeling, it is the production of emotions. We never say that it is the theme that is borrowed from outside. No, it is not the thing that comes automatically from outside. No, everything that was related in poem, every detail that was given by poet is the true overflow of emotions and feelings from inside. You can say it is an imitation. It is the imitation of poet's feelings and emotions. There was nothing to be artificial. Everything that is presented by Torudutt is totally natural. That is totally, you can say, original. And after complete analysis of this poem, we can consider it as a subjective poem, and then we also call it as an autobiographical poem. The poem is also a fine example of Toru's poetic talent. Why we counted her name among the top poets of English in India? There are various types of the proofs, and our casuarina tree is also one of the living example, a very super masterpiece of Torudutt. And this example, this poem provides the reason that why we call Torudutt as a most major poetess of India. In our next video, we will start the next poem. Thank you.